All right, I just got another real nice Zippo. Let's take a quick look at it. Okay, now this one came in the regular Zippo black box, and it says on it, Eagle, Stars, and Stripes. Of course, this is made in Bradford, PA in the USA. So here is the Eagle. It's on a white matte background, or it's a white matte case. It says USA on it. You can see it's Stars and Stripes with the Eagle. Nothing on the other sides. And this one was made, I think that is F of 16, so that is June of 16, so it's a year old. And you can see the nice stampings, the Zippo, Bradford, PA, made in USA. Really good sound. Fires up nice. Let's do a drop test on this. We'll do a lip drop test from about 3 feet. Missed the bullseye. Let's try it again. Okay, you can see that drop test was successful. It stayed on. That is the Stars and Stripes Eagle, made in the USA. That deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.